Hi, my name is Kinnerae, and I'm a little nervous, but I want to share with you. I am a wife and a soon-to-be expectant mother and a nurse. I've worked full-time as a nurse for over about 10 years, and one of the things that I've always wanted to do is be a stay-at-home mom. Now, with the iPass 2 system, it was working online. I tried it out 2 weeks ago, and the first week I made the most money that I ever have online. And then the second week, I was pleasantly surprised to see that it had doubled. This system, I'm grateful for it. Thank you so much, Chris and the team, for creating the iPass 2 system. It has well paid for itself already, and I'm looking forward to more and more success. My dream of being a stay-at-home mom really is starting to show up as a possibility. I just want to, when the baby is born, not have to take leave, but rather leave from work, but rather just put in my notice then and say, all right, well, I'm going to have the baby. I don't know if I'll enjoy that part, but I'll have the baby and then stay at home and enjoy being a stay-at-home mom. Click on the button below and Adam will begin to show you around. Enjoy, have fun, enjoy success, and look forward to talking with you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.